On April 21st, the chairman of the Halk Maslahaty of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, departed on a visit to the Republic of Kazakhstan. Upon arrival at the Hazrat Sultan International Airport in the city of Turkistan, the national leader of the Turkmen people was warmly greeted by the President of Kazakhstan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. Other Kazakh officials also participated in the meeting. Hazrat Sultan International Airport, opened in 2020, is the first airport in Kazakhstan built from scratch during the years of independence. It is located near the city of Turkistan, which is recognized as the spiritual capital of the Turkic world. The name Hazrat Sultan is one of the epithets of the revered Sufi thinker Khoja Ahmed Yasawi and emphasizes the significance of the region. The airport plays an important role in the development of tourism and transport accessibility of the Turkestan region.